to all of you. So firstly, I introduce myself. My name is Kirtan Khose. I am learning in 8th class and I am also current student of Edison English classes. So today's our topic is what is the importance of time management. So first, so I express my thought in front of you about the importance of managing time. So by the end of me, if we manage our time, sometimes it's good for us, sometimes it's bad for us. So good part is that if we manage our time for a good thing like for our study and for other things, so it is beneficial. And if we manage our time for some other things like watching mobile, playing, so it is bad. If we managing time is that if you want to do study and become a successful person, so you will make a routine for you that you can use your time perfectly as well. So absolutely, yes, I am totally agree with you. Firstly, introduce myself. My name is Vedika Dada and I am studying in 8th class. Now this question is that what is the importance of time management? So you know that time management is most important in our also student life also. Day by day, you know challenges has to become when we study that time we get a time that 1 hour this complete our chapter and we suggest our friend time management is most important. If you want some success, time management is also important. You know that you watch only mobile or watch only mobile 2 hours 3 hours, but you do not do study. For getting a success, study is most important and education is most important because due to education we get success in our life, and due to that time management we also know in our UPSC classes time management is most important. Yes, I totally appreciate with you that as she said that UPSC and MPSC exam is a very hard exam by the angle of everyone, because if in this exam that if, in this study of the exams, just time management is very important. If you manage your time perfectly, so you definitely achieve your goal as well as. If you want to become a successful person and doesn't depend on any person, that you know that world just give better and most better value to a successful person. So you have to manage your time perfectly. So yes, despite of children have no that is what is important of time management, but we say that time management is important because we have a time for doing a study. Now this time we do study after 10 12 we have not some knowledge for choosing our field, so that time this is not perfect time for us. This time is in a study in 8 class 9 class. This time is better for us for choosing our career. And now this time we are studying the time management is important because in our life time has extend for us, but time is not stop for us. Yes, you know that. Yes, I totally appreciate with you. If you want to become a successful person, so you definitely manage your time perfectly. If you manage your time, so it is beneficial for us. And managing time, it has a advantages and disadvantages also. Advantages that if you manage your time perfectly, if you make a timetable of your whole day that you have to do study at 2 or 3 hours and watching mobile only for 5 to 10 minutes. So it is beneficial for your future also, and you get perfect knowledge about that which topic you are learning. And disadvantage is that yes, some students have make timetable, but they cannot do this thing because their mind is think that 1 hour with mobile and now 30 minutes to study. So this is not important because we have to know for time management. This is because now this time we get mobile and look mobile and for our things that we yes, I totally appreciate with you that people just blame mobile. It is yes. It is a very bad thing. It is depend on the person who is watching mobile. The device is made for the device is made from AI, which is help you in your study also. But it is depend on the person who use the device perfectly. So what can you say? Yes, students also look reels, but they do not look our classes, and online classes have present in mobile, and also
internet have present, and AI is the most important for our student life, because we type question, then AI pass us answer that question, because we find that, but we take mobile, we can scroll our hand in this, that in reels, YouTube channels, and so on, and WhatsApp channel, and chatting, and so on, because this is not important in our student life. Time management is important, that we do study without help of mobile, because in our in our Telara classes is present, because for getting us education.
Yes, I totally appreciate with you. If just like if we watching mobile and just watch us motivation channel and listen something sentence about motivation, so we make a timetable and just follow a timetable for a 1 or 2 days. So it is not a well, because if you know that if we do the study at the time, so it is very beneficial for you. If you divide your works on perfect time, so it is beneficial for you, and it helpful for your parents also, because every parents wants that their child become independent. So it is also a part of time management. So lastly, I suggest you, time management is a very important part. If you manage your time perfectly,